Hi, I'm Julie from Lichfield.
I'm Andrea from Warrington.
I'm Anna from Burton-on-Trent.
I'm Jackie from Ovenu.
It is a predominantly male-dominated industry. I think probably because there's quite a lot of dismantling of parts, it puts some of the females off, and it is hard work. It's hard graft at times, but there's absolutely no reason why the girls can't do this job, as we proved. We've all got some very loyal customers who actually even prefer to have a female in the house. Sort of the elderly customers particularly prefer to have a female in the home.
Feel reassured, don't they, that it's a lady that's come to do them.
So it's certainly worked in my favour.
Yeah, it puts them at ease.
I think they appreciate what you do as well.
Yeah.
When they see the end result, they're blown away.
They look forward to seeing you as well,
because,
don't they?
Yeah. I build an extra hour into some of my appointments just because they're
Having
lonely.
having a chat
they
with the
want
clients.
to talk to you, and
And
they
feel
look
safe
forward
with
to
a
seeing
woman
you.
in the house, not just the elderly people, but speaking to some of my
Yeah.
customers, that other ladies that are at home, having new babies and stuff like that, they don't want male people in the house. They prefer to have a female in the house.
Absolutely.
It's the work-life balance, I find. You can do part-time if you want to do part-time, and you can also do 6-7 days. You can take time off when you need to with your family.
Every day's a school day, but as I'm sure these
certainly
ladies
is.
will
Yeah,
agree.
certainly is.
But yeah, it's nice knowing that you can control your own diary and work when you want to work. So, you know, the old cliche about the work-life balance is there, but the harder you work, the more money you earn, and you are in control of that. So, you know, there's what's not to like.
Yeah,
We need more women.
Yeah,
absolutely.
there's a great support network.
There is.
Absolutely, and I think females should actually just take the bullet and go for it. And
Well,
you
we
can
did.
Fancy a challenge. If
Yeah.
you fancy a challenge, it's a challenge, isn't it? You know.
If you've got the right tools for the job, which you
Yeah.
have with Ovenu, then there's no reason why you can't make a success of this. If you follow the business module, because they know what they're talking about, if you follow the business module and don't try and go off-piste, then there's no reason why you can't have a successful business.
Absolutely.
So if there's any females out there that are thinking about maybe doing this as a career, then I would just say wholeheartedly go for it. There's no reason why you can't do this job. We're all shapes and sizes, heights, and you know it's a good career to have. And there's an awful lot of ovens out there to clean.